Good afternoon, everyone. This is Seb from BinaryOptionsProductReview.com. Welcome to the channel. Just a couple of things first. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit distant. I have my mic placed over there. I've got something wrong with the cable. As most of you know anyway, I do have a Blue Yeti microphone. It's a very, very good microphone. I had to have it in a certain location. I can't move it because I've got a dodgy cable, so I have to go and buy one a bit later on, so I'm very sorry about that. Second thing is, please like the video. Third thing, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And a quick number 4, if you wish to be part of the live webinars, I'm going to be using this software, and I'm also going to be using obviously OptionBot, Option Robot, Binary Option Club. You know, I'm going to be using all these softwares in the webinars. If you want to be part of them, guys, contact myself and Simon before you register, before you deposit, and we'll get you set up properly and correctly. But anyway, guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get to it. So, Auto Trading Robot. Now, just by listening to a few other reviews, looking on the internet, looking at some blogs, blah, 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 it looks like this is here to identify support and resistance, similar to OptionBot, but it's slightly more advanced than OptionBot. Now, what I can gather is that you can actually set it so once it hits a certain point, a pivot point, as we like to call them obviously in our webinars, okay, it then executes a trade only when it reaches, drops below or rises above a certain strike rate, and then you can set that yourself. So if you do need to go to work, if you have to quickly rush out and you're waiting for support and resistance line to happen, you can actually mark the strike rate so that it won't actually execute the trade until it hits that particular point. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. It's not an auto trader, okay? It's not an autopilot. You set the strike rate and you set the trade amount. So let's give it a whirl, guys. Anyway, so here we go. We've got enhanced trading view. We've got the graph, obviously, as we can see here. Okay, perfect. That's absolutely what we need. Okay, now what I'm going to do really, really quickly, I have my balance of just 500 euros. I don't obviously go too overboard. So I'm just going to start 10 euros, okay? We're going to do 10 euros. Obviously, my balance on other softwares are a bit higher. This is completely brand new with Auto Trading Robot. So all I'm going to do, identify a few trades, and we're going to see if we can make a bit of profit now during this video. So let's have a look. Now, AUD USD. This is the AUD USD calendar. In all fairness, the trends are pretty neutral. There's nothing really there to identify. So let us find a good easily analysed trend. So that the GBP CHF is on the rise. That's not available for me at the moment, so I've got to look for something that's there. GBP USD. Okay, that's on the rise. That's absolutely perfect. So let's go GBP USD. Data loading. Okay, fantastic. So that's okay. Wow, fantastic. Now, because that's broken through and it's still on the rise, I'm going to be placing an up trade. So we'll have to wait for that now. And I'm also going to set it so when it hits... Okay, here we go. Here is the opening price trigger. Now, this is what I was just explaining to you about, okay? It has your current rate, your current strike rate just there, which is obviously going to keep trading because it's real time, okay? You're about to open a put trade price trigger on GBP/USD at the trigger rate of blah, 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 blah. And obviously, you can change this. You've got manual selection. So I could have it place a put trade once it rises from, say, 2.5. If I think then it's going to break past its pivot point and then start hitting itself when it goes down. So I'm going to have it so it actually does that. Oh, hang on a minute. I can't place the trade because it's actually just spiked upwards. So let's just wait for this to come in and then we'll continue that in just a second. Absolutely fantastic. So that's actually quite an easy one to read. Okay, perfect. Excellent. 7 euros in just 2 minutes. Fantastic. So that was quite an easy one to read. All it took was really identifying the trend. When it started spiking, okay, then you go to place the trade. Sorry about just keeping on my cat because she's not very well. I thought she's about to be ill, but I know I think she's fine at the moment. Okay, so let's just get back to it. Okay, looks like it's still on the rise. Now basically how I identified that is it did spike up, it spiked back down, but I managed to identify the overall trend of it going up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for it to spike back down again. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. But I'm going to wait for it to hit below 1, 2. No, that's a bit too much. 40. Okay. There we go. So once it goes below that line, then it should place a call trade for us. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to sort out the cat. Don't want to be in sick on the new rug. Okay, so let's start increasing this trade amount a bit more. I really like this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, I tell you now, especially during the webinars. Now, once it hits that line, it's also going to place another call trade for me. It looks like this is actually going good so far again. See, look, support and resistance is kicking in quite lively over here. Now, if that just holds, this should be a perfect win again. Oh, by the way, when you also get these lines, you can also cancel them here by pressing the white X. So if you're not happy or the movement has not gone to what you thought it would be, it's absolutely fine. You can actually cancel it there. Okay, so we're out the money on that one. Let's continue on the rise. So let me just, I'm going to actually close that one. Now I'm going to wait for that to drop again on 40. So just about there. That's coming back down. That should start spiking upwards very soon. That's why I placed that. That's why I placed the trigger just there. There we go. I'm also going to place another one. Okay, that's hit down that past bit, so that should now come down. And then that should start coming back up slowly. Oh, back. Rates and charts. Oh, dear me. Whoops. Live. GBP USD. See that the overall trend is going up, which is good. Let's have a look here. Oh, wow. That has really hit some down points. Now's our perfect time to start placing those call trades. I like the price. I like this plot. The price trigger. I think is brilliant. Let's wait for this one. What's happening at the moment? Oh, it's still got my. Let's just move option robot over to there a second. There we go. We've got green candles now on the way. There we go. Just double check on the enhanced trading view. Hopefully that'll start picking back up now as it starts carrying on the upwards trend. GBP USD. Need to zoom in. There we go. So what we're just looking for is we're just hitting between two pivot points. That's all we're doing. Quite simple, very easy. Just gotta wait for this one for 2 seconds. Yes, fantastic. Now we're on 563. That's better. We're getting there. Slowly but surely, guys, we're getting there. We're having a few good trades. It looks like the GBP USD is just slipping now. It's just gone into complete decline. So let's check on another currency pair. Well, I'll leave this here though. USD CAD. USD/CAD. Okay. Ay, man, come on. What's going on there? Fantastic, there we go. Also Trader Robot, USD CAD. I'm going to cancel that one actually there. Wow, what has happened to the market at the moment? It's really gone flat. Let's check the economic calendar really quickly. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so there's not really a lot of movement though that has happened. Nothing really to spike it, so kind of makes sense in a way. There we go. That's going down. It's hit my price trigger. That's starting to come back up. All we want to see now is some green candles. Oh, that's sort of turned green, but let's see if that can keep pushing upwards ever so slightly. There we go. Nice and green. Following the trend. Perfect. And guys, listen. It looks like this software was developed to help each and every one of you that has been struggling with support and resistance. It practically has it there for you on a plate. And all I'm doing is just simply clicking on the price triggers. It's as simple as that. 3, 2, 1, bang. There we go. 626 euros in 10 minutes of trading. 126 euros profit in 10 minutes. And I'm not doing anything particularly special. I'm just looking at a graph, say like FX Street, and I'm just using my one eye to analyse like there's a line there and a line there. And I'm trading in between the lines like a little, just like a wave line. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Very, very simple. And in case you do get a bit confused, that's what these price trigger lines are here for, the green and the red. And in case you're not happy with what it says, because obviously it's just stuck between 2 points, you can spread them out. You can click on it. That's what it's on right now. That's what the price trigger is. And then you can manually change it. Hell, I can make it place a call when it hits that. And that could happen especially if obviously something actually drastic did happen to Canada or the United States. So, but I'm not going to do something stupid like that. That is a bit stupid. But yeah, guys, it's just simple trading strategies. And yeah, but guys, that's going to be it for me. I really hope you've enjoyed today's trading session. Let's have a look at our trades, positions. So we've won 4. We lost 3. The 3 that we lost were 2 30s and a 10. And then the ones were 3 90s and 110. So pretty good in my opinion, to be honest. Obviously, guys, I've decided to deposit a higher amount. I have more money to splash out on this, but guys, if you think you're going to be struggling, but you do want to use it, don't forget, get in contact with me or Simon before you register, before you deposit, and come and be part of our webinars, okay? I host the webinars every Tuesday, every Thursday. If you guys are looking for a bit of credibility, go and have a look at my YouTube channel. I upload pretty much all the webinars on there, okay? And there are people winning money. Take a look at what people say in the chat section. Go and have a look at it yourself. It's fantastic. I thoroughly enjoy trading with each and every one of you, okay? Because I'm trading myself, so I'm earning money. You guys are earning money, and everyone's just actually doing pretty well. So guys, look, that's going to be it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Thank you.